Hello buddy and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost and today we are going to continue with our Kotlin Basics course. So in this section of the course we are going to take a look at what is the difference between var, which is used to define variables, and val, which is for constants. So we'll discuss about it in this video, and before we begin I would like to let you know that this video has been brought to you by PIA.
PIA or Private Internet Access is a premium VPN service. PIA have servers in 28 countries to help you get around geo-blocking. They have got multiple options for a strong encryption that keeps your data safe. They got DNS leak protection to protect your browsing history, and even PIA Maze, a built-in tracker and malware blocker. So for a secure multi-platform browsing experience, go check out PIA at the link given in the description down below.
So now let's just go ahead and begin. So as you know, var, which is for the variable, as the name suggests, is variable. Its value can change from time to time depending on the different circumstances or different parameters, but if you need something with a constant value, you need to assign val. What I meant by that, let's just go ahead and find out. Let's start our program with the main function and pass the arguments with the data type string. And now let's go ahead and get the parentheses. Okay, so as you already know, to define a variable we need to type var, give the variable a name, type a colon, and then define a data type, press is equal to, and just give it a value. So basically this is the variable x with the data type int and a value of 10. And now let's go ahead and define something like a val. Val, which is for the constant, we'll use a different variable and we will give it the data type int, and we will define a value of 15. Now if you want to assign something like y equals to 20, it will give you an error and it will say val cannot be reassigned. So basically this is your val, which is a constant, it cannot be reassigned. But since you already know that variable x, which is a variable, you can go ahead and reassign it. So for example, I'll go ahead and press x equals to 20. So the value of the variable x is updated because it's a variable, but you cannot reassign a value to the val because it's a constant. Okay, so this was basically how you can go ahead and assign a constant and a variable, and I'm going to basically comment out everything because it will give an error. So now let's just go ahead and println x and then println y. And if you run this program, which is by right clicking and then selecting run varval.kd, so it's going to compile it. And now as you can see, we initially defined the value of the variable x to be 10, but later we changed it because it's a variable, it can be changed, and we assign a constant y with the value 10, and it cannot be changed because as soon as you try to write it, it will give you an error and it will say that val cannot be reassigned. So basically these were how you can use var and val inside of Kotlin if you want to create a new variable or if you want to create a new constant. So basically, if you like this video, please leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. Be sure to check out the sponsor for this video. And as always, thanks for watching.